Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to send videos as a document in WhatsApp. So first of all, go ahead and open up your photos. Let's say for example, I want to click on this video and I want to save it to my files. So I'm going to click the upload or share button at the bottom left corner, and you're going to be able right here to see multiple options. Scroll a little bit down and you're going to be able to save it to files. Click on save it to files and basically name it to whatever title that you want, and then hit save at the top right. Okay, now after you save that video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to my screen and I'm gonna go ahead to open up my WhatsApp. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on my chats right here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the plus button at the bottom left corner right here, and I'm gonna click document. Okay, basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click choose from file. Okay, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna choose that video and I'm gonna just hit open at the top. Basically now you will send that video as a file to your WhatsApp. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.